everybody. Are you ready to see what you are going to earn when you host your very own Princess House online catalog in person, have your own, buy your own products, do your own holiday shopping, and get free rewards at discounted prices right now? Well, follow along and you'll find out. Hi, I'm Patty Lynch, independent consultant with Princess House, and I'm here to showcase the current hostess rewards that go all the way through November 2nd. Here we go. So every 4 weeks we have specials that do change. And we do have early birds. So if you are interested in the early birds, you have to act fast because they generally go for the first couple of weeks. And the early birds are right now. So how the early birds work is you just have to collect a few orders, minimum 350 in sales, and you qualify for the early birds. And right now, look at this little guy. Isn't he adorable? It's our 3-quart non-stick casserole. Our non-stick is made without PFOA, which is that chemical you want to stay away from. It has the 2 little helping handles on the side. It has our lid. It has the lid that's made of baricicle glass that can actually go in the oven. It retails for $149.95, but you can get it for $29.95 right now. But that's not all. You also get this 3-piece essential set. You get the cute little 6-piece muffin or cupcake tin, or your little egg McMuffins tin, your cake tin, as well as your baking sheet. These fit perfectly in our air fryer, but you can also use these in your regular oven. These are non-stick. OMG. I used them and I put nothing in them, no butters or oils, and everything slid right out. These retail for $99.95, but again, as a host right now, you can get them for $24.95. Yes! These are the early birds. You want to get in on the early birds. Those are the best. So like I said, those were the early birds. So the next ones do go through all the way through November 1st. And check this one out. So you know I use my personal blender all the time. It's in the navy blue. Well, for October, as you know, it's the National Breast Cancer Awareness. They have the new fuchsia color. Do you love it? Absolutely love it. It comes with the USB cord so you can charge it so it goes on the go. It has the little carrier up the top so you can go on the go. It has the lid for the top, also comes with the bottom. It has the 6 prongs. You push it twice to let it go. It also has a pulse, high power, just like our big one, but it's a little windy guy. You're going to be able to get this little $24.95, and each one that Princess House sells you as a hostess, $1 is going to go to the American Cancer Foundation. So also as a hostess, you qualify at $350 in sales for $85 worth of shopping credit that you can go through the catalog and pick out anything you want out of the catalog. But as an extra bonus, Princess House added on $150 shopping credit for $34.95. So you're going to take that $150 and add it on to your $85 worth of credit. So now you're going to get $235 worth of shopping credit with a $350 party, which you're going to get all of that for under $35. And that's just with the $350 party. Let's bump it up. Now you have $550 worth of shopping that you had your friends or yourself buy. And now you qualify for everything that you already did. And now you're going to be able to get our 12-inch non-stick skillet with navy portion spatula. This set retails for $224.95. You're going to be able to get it $44.95. But again, Princess House says, no, that's not all. You're also going to be getting a $250 worth of shopping credit. Yes, $250 worth of shopping credit for $59.95. In addition to all the other shopping credit, so that means you're going to get $555 worth of shopping credit for under $95 with the $550 party. Yes, right? OMG. But we're not going to stop you there. No, we're not. Sales. So you qualify for everything I just showed you, but now you are going to get one of my favorite pieces. This is our air and cook fryer oven. Oops, I made bacon earlier. Sorry about that. Yes, I used the bacon button. It has 14 programmable buttons. Easy peasy. You just push the button and it cooks it for you. You're going to be able to get this for under $120. It retails for $550. With a $750 party, you'll be able to get this. But that's not all. You're also going to be able to get this here. Yes, look at this. I know, right? This, our tri-ply 18-quart casserole. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes, it is. It is stunning. It retails for $329, and you're going to be able to get it for under $80. But again, Princess House says, no, I want you to have more. They're going to give you a $350 shopping credit for under $80. So, guys, this is the time to host a party or to collect your outside orders, because with a $750 party, you are going to get $945 worth of shopping credit for under $175 plus tax and shipping. Now is the time to host your party. So reach out to me, Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House, at plynch196@gmail.com, 978-870-8910. Or if this is being forwarded to you by one of my team members, please reach out to them. This is the best deal ever. I just can't believe what Princess House is doing. Amazing. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. And have a fantastic day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.